machine, take them to powder coat, bring them back from powder coat, put them together, load them in a trailer.
Oh my God, she's just standing there.
Pendulum stayed alive till 2023, and then I was like, I think I want to take things one more level up.
Today we're talking shower mortar beds, specifically what kind of mix. This is the best way to texture a sheetrock patch. Install a fence without a line.